Hello guys, it's me Lan. Welcome to my channel. And today's video I am very excited to show you because I'm going to unbox this big box in front of me. This is actually my order online. These are different tulip flowers, bulb, and also the daffodil bulbs. I ordered to a Tulip World website and finally receiving this yesterday. So I'm going to open it, show it to you, and give you a little bit of review on how the company packed these bulbs and also check out if the bulbs are okay. So join me as I open this big box. This box is a little bit heavy because I actually ordered 3 packs of daffodils. So each pack they have about 50 bulbs and also about 8 packs of tulips. So that's actually more than like about 500 bulbs in this box. So let me start and open this and check on how the bulbs are doing, and hopefully everything is okay. And I'm so excited to plant them on the backyard. So by next spring I will check them and let you know, give you an update on how the flowers and the color flowers look like. So here we go. This is the summary of my orders. So I have again the 3 packs of the Dutch Master Yellow Daffodils, and the rest is the tulips. I have the Apricot Impression Darwin Hybrid, 2 packs of Miranda Double Tulip, a pack of Apricot Fox Triumph Tulip, and Lily Flowering Tulips, and 2 packs of Double Dutch Double Tulip Mix. And then this is another extra discount that I can use it for my next order online. And this pamphlet is your guide to your fall planting, and this is also a good help, so you can also check a different kind of bulbs that they're also selling. So let's check this, and it looks like they're packed properly. There's no cushion in here that I put it because it's already full of bulbs, so that should be fine. And so the good thing is they of course label each package. So this is the Dutch Master Daffodils, and then this is 2 packs actually that they combine. And here's another one, and it looks like I don't see any rotting or any drying bulbs. It looks like a very healthy one actually. And then in here is all mix of the tulips. So let me give you a close-up look so you can see it. So let me just open at least the bag of daffodil and then 1 bag of tulips, so you can see on how the packaging and also the bulbs look like. So here we go. So this is actually the double Dutch tulip mix, and as you can see, I mean, this one is like about 2 inches or 2.5 inches big. And then I see someone that's already rotten over here. This is not good. So the other ones are okay. I have like about 2 or 3 that's already have this starting to rot, and a little bit of moldy in here. So this is about 25 bulbs in this package. And then here is a pack of daffodil, and let's check it out. It looks like, looking on the package, everything is doing good. It looks very healthy bulbs, and same thing here. All of these are actually ready to be planted before the temperature will drop, and today is at least about 50 degrees, so which is a good temperature to put all this bulb on the ground, so they have enough chance to at least have roots before again the freezing temperature will start. So, well, the summary of my order, the review that I can give to you, Packaging is okay. Well, there's like a few bulbs that start to rotten. I don't know when do they start um, putting this in this package and ship it to me. So maybe that's why it start to maybe drying like this. But the rest, it looks like everything's doing okay. So I just have like few bulbs that not good. But overall, I will give a thumbs up on this website. Okay guys, so this is the location and where I plan to plant the bulbs. So starting from that viburnum tree on the side, all the way to here, it's going to be a row of tulips and daffodil. So on the upper side of this pathway, I'm going to add all the tulips and alternate a different kind of tulip color, and then adding the daffodil here in the bottom side. I actually add the Asiatic lily bulb in here like about 3 weeks ago, and the flower of the Asiatic lily is actually a mix of yellow and red. And of course, the daffodil that I order, they have also a little bit of red in the middle, and also the rest is yellow. So it's going to be a good combination. So during springtime, I'm going to see all the daffodils first, and then around summertime, all the Asiatic lily will be popping up and giving color to this site. So I am so excited to show that to you for next year's garden tour. And for now, we're just gonna add all these beautiful bulbs, and I am so excited to show that to you during springtime. And I'm gonna have a lot of uh, different colors of flowers, spring color in this side. It looks like really, really boring right now because there's nothing for you to see. There's no color besides from dirt in here. But I bet for springtime, it's going to be a very, very colorful garden. So I prepared this area already. I actually just loosened the dirt a little bit, but I have actually a hard time on the upper level of this pathway. I remove a lot of fabric garden cloth. I have to cut them a little bit and loosen it open so that the roots of the bulbs will be getting in. And I removed some and cut some of the roots of the trees, like the hydrangeas that planted in here. And I have the mountain laurel as well, and some of the trees that actually roots are really, really making the dirt tight, so I have to cut them and loosen it a little bit. So I'm going to add the bulbs here as a row, and then I create a hole in the side to add the daffodils. So that actually on the side I added the Asiatic lily, the tiny nuggets bulbs in that side, and that's what it looked like. And I'm going to start putting all the bulbs, tulip bulbs, as a row in here. So the way that I plan to add the tulips in here, since I have different kind of bulbs, so I have actually 3 bags of the apricot, Triumph, the Miranda, and also the double Dutch, and then all the way to the bottom are the daffodils. So I alternate them and going to add the bulbs in that hole, and then so alternating the apricot, Miranda, apricot, Miranda, apricot impression, the double Dutch, the lily flowering tulip mix, more of the double Dutch tulip mix, and then here in the bottom is going to be all the daffodils. So I think it's going to be look pretty when I mix the colors. So I'm going to start in putting them in, and because it's getting late actually and getting colder, I'm planting in the afternoon, so I have to hurry up because it's getting darker. Okay guys, so I finally put them as a row. So as you can see, it's all the way to that side until here. So I am ready to cover them with this dirt. And actually, I'm still gonna add a little bit of mulch on top of it just to make sure they are okay and they're not going to be freezing during the cold weather or freezing temperature. So let me start and covering them. And so excited to give you an update for next spring.